Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be discussing Bitcoin and the crypto market. Where are we heading next? So I'm gonna give you a proper analysis on the weekly, the daily, and also the lower time frames on Bitcoin, and also smaller coins like ING and also Gala Games. But let's start away with Bitcoin. But before we continue, guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell to subscribe to the channel. That's going to be helping heaps. So let's get now straight away into the chart so I can show you what I think is going to be happening with Bitcoin. As you can see from here, we are now into this, I would say like an uptrend, but we retraced down a little bit from here. And Bitcoin looks like it's not showing any sign of a reversal. So I'm going to go now on the weekly chart. I'm going to show you a little bit better what I think is going to be happening now. First of all, as you can see here, we broke this very important level of support, and Bitcoin is now going down. And unfortunately, doesn't look like, a reversal hasn't occurred yet. So it is my expectation that what we're going to see now, we're going to see a continuation to the downside to then reach a target of roughly down here at $22,000, $23,000 each before we're going to see like a bounce to the upside. Also, we can have a look at indicators like the RSI, Relative Strength Index. As you can see from here, we are showing now like a formation of probably like a double top. We retest this level here, we got rejected and down, which looks like we're going to go down into this green box over here. So if we're going to go down into the green box, we might actually go into an oversold area on the RSI, which is usually quite bullish, and then we're going to see a continuation to go up this way. So again, my prediction will be, and it's not financial advice, we're going to see this kind of scenario. We're going to go up this way, then retrace down to this way here, 22,000, 23,000, and then continue all the way up. Now let's go back into like lower time frame so I can show you better intraday what's happening over here. As you can see here, now we are forming what we call a divergence on the RSI, a bullish divergence if I have to be more correct. And as you can see from here, I'm going to draw a diagonal line of resistance this way, and then I'm going to draw also another line from here. So what I think is going to be happening right now, guys, because of we have been fluctuating this way, I'm expecting the price of Bitcoin to actually retrace up to here and then finally dump to the next level of support at $22,000, right? It's going to make everybody pretty much believing that we're going to go down straight, but then it's going to pump this way at $27,000 to $28,000. Looks like it's forming like a double bottom, but then it's going to push down to the upside. But again, this is my prediction. It might not work this way. And then, of course, once it's going to go down, then that's where you're going to really look to open a long position for myself, and then at roughly $22,000 to $21,000. I'm going to go even more in depth from here. Let's have a look, and I'm going to go on the 1 hour chart so to show you even better what's happening right now. So as you can see, we are just moving sideways. I mean, moving sideways looks almost like we're forming like an inverted head and shoulder, which then could definitely bring us back to this level over here. But at the moment, the Bitcoin market is still it's like just fluctuating, like just moving sideways, which is very difficult to enter. The next one I want to talk about today, guys, is ING. ING is a coin that's really took my attention because I think that it's going to be exploding in the next bull run. And again, if I have to give a prediction for this ING, guys, I mean, as well here we're forming a double top here. Looks like it's going down, and we actually might go back down to this level of support over here at $4. But again, do I have to be scared about that? Not really, because again, even with ING, guys, we're probably going to retrace down to this way. But then when the bull run starts, is one of the biggest coins with the biggest hype. And what it might happen, we might see actually a big spike, to the upside at 41, then retracement, and then once we finish the next bull run in 2025, the target is $107. At the moment, we are at $6, guys. I mean, if that happens, is a 20x from here, which means that we're going to see fireworks, coming very, very soon. And the next one I want to show you guys, which is the last one, is Gala Games. Gala Games is incredible, like, now it's hitting the depression zone, but you have to be careful. You need to really pay attention to this coin over here, because as you can see, Gala Games has pretty much, found the bottom over here. And once this thing explodes, guys, I mean, look at the chart. It's insane. Like, if you actually put a line over here of diagonal resistance, right, and also you're going to include I'm going to take my EMA as well, so I can show you better what I think it can be happening. I mean, if we're gonna also take the EMA, once we break this level here, guys, I mean, the next level of resistance is gonna be in this area over here, and the next one in this area over here. So at the moment we are at 0.01. If we're gonna go here, we're gonna go to 0.17. It's 17 times what it was before. So that could be an explosion to the upside. Even better than that, 0.28. So I mean, it's pretty much a coin that you could see going like really insane. So sorry, so 0.014 to 0.17. That's absurd, guys. I mean, and look at the all-time high here for Gala Games. In 2021, it went up to 83 cents. So if the same thing happens, it's going to go up 83 times what it was before. So very, very bullish on that. Again, it's probably going to happen a little bit, later in the year, 2024, but looks like it's going to be happening. And then, guys, and the last news of the day that I wanted to leave you today is that this week we have the CPI results. So it's going to be the measurement of inflation with the Fed, which means that if the CPI is going to come higher than expected, then we might see a big correction in stocks and crypto. And I think this is going to be happening because inflation has ticked up a little bit. So then, of course, it's going to make people very, very scared that the Fed is going to raise interest rates again. But if, of course, comes lower than expected, then you can see the stock market and crypto to rally to very, very high levels. I don't think it's going to be happening, but, of course, I don't have the magic wand to predict the future. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. And if you don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell, it's going to help heaps. We post videos 2 or 3 times a week to give you the best updates about the crypto markets. So I hope you're going to have a great day, and I'm going to see you in the next video.